100 people.
Pagka ako ba taga rito at ako nilocate nyo sa Davao, do I get perks? Especially if I'm good?
Yes.
How many hours do they work?
Of course, usually 8 hours,
8
but
hours.
that would depend on the account and what would be your shift. There are instances 6 days a week, so that is 8 hours a day.
Ganito lamang ng mga Pinoy, no? Over other nationalities, no? Kasi yung mga iba, for example, may mga kaibigan ako, Chinese lang ang alam. Ang Noipi iba, no? Tagalog, marunong ng Kapampangan, tas English, tas may Chabacano, you know, all that stuff. Ikaw ba, Martin, maliban sa dalawang to, kumusta ang consumption mo sa trabaho?
Well, so far naman po, okay naman.
Are you enjoying your work?
Yes.
Is it rewarding?
Yes, I would not stay in Cyber City for 8 years if, you know, I don't enjoy
so
it.
far so good, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Considering po nasa taga Manila pa ako, maraming call center sa Manila, so, but I love Cyber City, so I stayed for about 8 years.
How's competition?
With call centers?
Yes.
Well, salary-wise, you know, nakipag-compete in Cyber City, but what we can offer to them is like, you know, the family that they can get from Cyber City.
So, ang trato ng family.
Yes.
O, George, ha, ano ka na? Kayamanan sharing. Kayamanan sharing. Kasi George, napaka-amiable ng taong yan. Parang si Alex D. Reyes lang yan, eh. Parang may mga father image kasi yan, eh, no? And Mr. and Mrs. George Sorio, for that matter. Alright, so hanggang kailan ang recruitment na yan? Hanggang sa ma-fill up?
Yes, sir. All year round po. But the need is very immediate.
Pero may minimum na age requirement. Like, for example, you have to be at least 16.
As long as college level. So,
college level.
usually
Alright.
those are aged like 18 years old and above, yes.
Okay, yung beyond 38, 48, okay pa yon.
Yes.
Pero yung below, wag naman. Okay. At the same time, anong numbers ang pwedeng tawagan at sinong hahanapin?
Okay, so they can text this number. This is the cell phone number of the recruitment office. It's 0917-530-5353. And then they can also email their resumes at recruitment@cctll.com. They can also check on the website of Cyber City Teleservices. It's www.cctll.com. They can also visit and like the page of Cyber City Teleservices Recruitment at Facebook.
How much daw can they earn initially and then as they go along? Are you at liberty to divulge how much money they're supposed to be making? Starting, vicinity, ballpark figure. Mga magkano, Arisa?
5 digits.
5 digits, I agree.
We do offer very attractive pay, sir,
Right.
for those with call center experiences,
Right.
especially.
5 digits? Wala ng 10,000?
Aside from ano pa po yun, incentive programs that we
Right.
are offering.
That's correct. So Martin basically know better than ours.
You know, I always believe if you're good, then your pay must be good. If you're better, so therefore your pay is better. Commensurate yan, eh. May mga level yan, di ba?
You're telling us we're not good? How dare you?
Then money becomes secondary.
Right.
You may be making 100,000 a month, but my God, it's like working for hell, so might as well, di ba? All right, any other announcements that you wish to tell our people? Riza?
Would like to invite those people with or without call center experience that we are so much in need of manpower because we have big clients coming in, and that would definitely give us more rooms for promotions, and as Martin could probably add regarding our increase.
Actually, we have now